Hi guys, I am standing inside, or we're about to stand inside, a 2023 Flagstaff Super Lite 27 BHWS. This is one of the new line of campers that we started carrying here at Walnut Ridge. Really awesome. Light colors on the interior, just really functioning family features that I think you guys are just going to love. Your entrance when you come in is more towards the back of the camper, but as soon as you walk in, you have double over double bunks with very thick cushioning for your mattresses. The bottom bunk actually folds up and it has the ability to latch if you would like to place taller items in there during transit. Even when you have the bottom bunk in use, you can still have the bottom portion be for storage purposes. Built-in metal ladder, which is super nice. And of course, you have an extra handle up there for whoever is climbing up on the top bunk. Both have windows, which is pretty nice. They each open up. Power outlets and USB ports as well. Their own little reading light, even their own little privacy curtain. So really awesome area for your kids to go. Fire extinguisher in case they get a little crazy. And then across the way is a closet storage space. It actually goes back pretty far. Built-in hooks. You can grab something quickly if you use this for pantry storage or shoes, the pet's food, things like that. It's not far from the main entrance. Control paneling for everything is right next to that, so very convenient. Your awnings, slide outs, interior lights, see how full all of your tanks are, all that fun stuff. And then also not far from your kids' bunkhouse is the bathroom. So if it's an emergency, even if you need to come in really quickly and use the restroom, it's not very far. Less dirt and grime to get tracked all in here. Porcelain foot flush toilet. I love the flooring, and you'll see it all throughout. The tan colors, and there's a little bit of gray on the interior furniture. Looks great though, but super nice and bright in here. Your porcelain toilet, shower with a skylight above, ring hook. Neat little window as well with a shade, corner sink, storage below, and then a medicine cabinet. Walk on out into the rest of the camper. Your slide out features your theater reclining seats, built-in cup holders, remote control storage, pretty plush and comfortable. Storage compartments above, and then adjustable reading lights too, so you can kind of point it at the person if you want, or you can just have it kind of be there for, if you're on your laptop, your phone, reading a book, things like that. USB port, if you can see it, it's kind of hidden, is mounted on the bases, so you can charge devices while you are just sitting here. Across the way, the entertainment center, fireplace down below is electric, speaker system, connect your phone, listen to your own music that way, TV, and then more storage above. Also located in your slide out, giant U-shaped dinette. You can fit lots of family members, friends here, get a puzzle going, board game nights, family dinners, things like that. This even folds down to a sleeping spot for extra people. Table is not mounted into anything, so if you wanted to take this outside, put it away for the day, you can do that as well. Storage drawers are underneath, so they really tried to give you as much storage as possible, which is always a plus. And then coming into the kitchen, stainless steel refrigerator. Stainless steel microwave, range hood, a 3-burner stovetop with this glass cover. Oven. Got some storage below your sink, even running along the left-hand side. And then here is just some extended countertop space. This folds down, but if you need the extra room, you have the space for it. And then a 50-50 split stainless steel sink. It has tape on it right now, so I can't take it off, but sink covers as well. Spray faucet, more storage above, and power outlets. Walking on back to the master bedroom. This is a pretty spacious master. Your doorway is actually pretty wide. It's a barn style sliding door. You have a second entrance leading into here, so if your kiddos are sleeping, you don't want to wake them up, you can quickly just come in through the second entrance into your master bedroom. End tables are on each side. They're actually pretty long, so you can fit lots of items, decorations, things like that. Here is kind of like, it just reminds me of like a little bread box into some extra storage. The other side actually has a drawer for storage, but same amount of countertop space, so you can use that for devices and stuff. Power outlets outlets and USB ports, more storage above, and then you'll have quite a few windows in here. The main one does not open up, but it does look really nice, especially if you're at, parked at a lake or the beach, anything like that. Queen size bed though, storage underneath, spot for a TV is located in that corner. And then just behind me is built-in closet storage space. So this is something that you typically see in fifth wheels, not so much in travel trailers. So the fact that you have kind of an extra slide out for closet storage space is pretty amazing. Love the interior colors. It's very beachy looking. Walking on out. Friction hinge door as well. Solid steps on both entrances. All the way at the front. Power tongue jack, two 30-pound propane tanks. Accent lighting is on your front cap, and there's just a glimpse of that huge front window. Frameless windows as well all across the way, so it looks super neat. And then bear with me as I open this. A giant amount of pass-through storage. I mean, this thing is tall, it's wide. You can probably fit bikes in here if you wanted. Outdoor tables, chairs, things like that. Slam latch door. Front and rear power stabilizing jacks. And then you have two powered awnings as well, so you have pretty much 99% of the camper shaded if you need it. Outside speakers, access to your water heater, your furnace, a little shelf. So this is for having the capability of an outside kitchen. You can be able to slide it in there and put it in your huge pass-through storage if you want. Bracket for a TV. Well, I guess I forgot, but you already have an outside kitchen, so you can kind of use that as, in another kitchen accessory if you want. Mini fridge, a netted kind of placement wall so that you can have items in there during transit if you want, and they don't really fly all over the place. Power outlet, and then a pull out. If I can do it, there we go. Couple burners. So if you needed the countertop space, it already comes with it. And then you have a shelf accessory for a grill if you would want to have that as well. Spare tire with a cover, rear ladder, and then you are prepped for your rear observation camera. And then here is the underneath part of the bunk. So if you needed to place items in there for storage purposes, you can easily just access it this way. Hitch accessory. And then over here is your cable and outlet hookup, freshwater drain, steady water connection, outside shower. Storage that goes underneath the booth dinette. And then here is the slide out for the wardrobe. So this thing is fully loaded. Any extra questions or concerns about it, feel free to let us know.